Hi, and welcome to my channel. It's me, Tina. I am here with a DIY, and you can kind of see what I'm doing. These are those boards that I bought from Dollarama. They're just little, they're not quite square, they're rectangle boards. And I want to make all of our names. So I've got Billy here, except I need one more L. And I want to kind of make them like Scrabble pieces, so that's why I've got a number 4 there. And I've got it planned out how I'm going to hang it on the wall, and that's why I have the number 4 there. So I will show you just what I did quickly. I painted it with this. It's called let me see what this is called. Anyway, it's a clear stains. It's translucent. It is an oak color. And I'm just going to put a little bit on here. And what I did was I put it on and then I kind of just wiped it off. I just put it on with a brush like this. And then I let it dry. So, yeah. How is everyone? Are you all having a good Christmas already? Not sure when this video will go up. I will try to put it up before Christmas. But, you know, life gets busy. Actually, for me, I've been very relaxed. I've been able to stay home. We've, you know, we have had our Christmas shopping done way early, and our kids are older, and yeah, Billy, he doesn't know what he's getting. He's getting a new chair for his room, and like a kind of like an office chair, but it's a gaming chair. So he's really gonna like that, because his is kind of sits crooked already, and yeah, it's not the greatest. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe some off like this. And I love the color that it makes, you know, when you wipe it off. And try not to leave fingerprints like I am. Like so. And try not to get it all over like I am. But anyway, it's very, very simple to do. Then, I had bought these letters. And I don't know what I was thinking, but I bought 3 packages like this. And there is, how many is in here? These are also from Dollarama. There's 308 pieces in here. And those are the letters you get. But I bought 3 packages. I didn't even use one. So this is what's left over from the one. And I just need an L. And I thought they would be a little more durable, you know. But they're just little flimsy papers like this. But that's okay. It'll be fine. So what I'm going to do is just glue it on. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have to dry this first, because the other ones I dried them all first. And then I dried the wood first, and then I glued them on. But that's okay. I'll do it like this. And I want to get it in the center, kind of like this one. Like that. At first I thought these boards were kind of big, but I have a big wall that it's going on, so it should be fine. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. So just put it on like this. And then I'm going to take Mod Podge and Mod Podge over it. And I'm not sure that this will work if it's not quite dry. But we're going to try this anyway. And I'm going to use the same brush. So just go over it like this. And one more time like this. Okay, now my letter seems to be ruffling up a bit. I'm gonna go like this with it. I guess I'll just keep an eye on it. I didn't notice the other ones doing that. Maybe it lies flat once it's dry. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and maybe I'll hang them all up and let you see what they turn out like. But that's just a little DIY that I wanted to do for my wall in my living room upstairs. So we will try to get that done before Christmas. There we go. I'll let that dry there. And hopefully the next time you see this, it'll be all dry. I might just insert some pictures, or I will do like a tour of all my Christmas decor. We'll see. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And we'll talk to you soon. God bless. Bye-bye.